I finally found my go-to nude lip combo, but got a little secret. We actually have plans to do like a cute little double date later. Germs are twisty. Look at this. And then we were supposed to go to like another thing, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kaylah Arnae. Hey, hiya. Darren, I would do my whole little thing, but I'm holding the camera. Hi, I know it's been a minute, but I just wasn't feeling like, I just didn't know what I wanted to film. But I figured I'd vlog today. Today is Saturday, April 24th. We're actually about to leave out. I am eating a little breakfast. We got some boiled eggs, 2 Beyond Meat veggie sausage patties, and a hash brown. So I'm about to eat that really quick because I'm really hungry. It is about 12:48, so we gotta leave by 1. We have a special appointment available, special project. Not talking about it yet, so yeah, but let me know, comment down below what you think it is, and I'm gonna give you a hint. It's not a pregnancy, okay? Not that I know of.
Got it!
But yeah, so I figured I'd take you guys along today. Probably not gonna take you to the appointment. I mean, I am gonna take you to the appointment, but you're not gonna see yet, okay? You're not gonna see it. Probably not in this vlog, no. Cause yeah. But got a little secret. Yeah, I will take you guys along for the day, okay? Hey guys. Okay, so we're about to leave. I just want to do my where are you at? I just want to show you. So I finally found my go-to nude lip combo, which I'm so excited. So really quick, to line my lips, I have the Kaylah Cosmetics True Brown K. So I should just get a mirror, but I'm using the viewfinder. You ready?
You said you made me in there?
It's in the plastic bag by my purses. The baggie. Okay. I do have Carmax just to like give me a little moisture. And very little. Okay, so for the liquid lip, I have My Main by Dose of Colors. This was the Desi Katie, like part of the Desi Katie collection. It's like a nudie brown, but like peachy, more peachy than pink, I'd say. Going back in with my liner. Making a mess because I need to just get a mirror. Let me look at my phone. Wow. I'll fix it in the car if I need to. Huh? Yeah. And then for my gloss, I'm gonna use the Lancome Juicy Tubes. Boom. There we have it. Okay, so we're about to leave. I'm about to finish getting ready, and then I'll see you guys in the car. Okay. Okay, guys, we're at 7-Eleven, Quantum to get gas, and yeah, then we'll be on our way. We actually have plans to do like a cute little double date later with his best friend and his girl at some place. It's a Mexican place. Whoa. It's a Mexican place at the Inner Harbor in Baltimore. So yeah, it'll be cute and fun. But I feel like I smell like boiled eggs. So should we turn the car off? Should I turn the car off? Huh? Bill. Bill, should we turn the car off? Oh, my lantern. What am I doing? Oh, you know I have those boiled eggs, right? My whole room smells like boiled eggs right now. But I know he has some gum because now I feel like I smell like boiled eggs, and I should have just like, but I was rushing and stuff, but like I should have like got a swivel of mouthwash or something. But I'll be okay. This is Icebreakers Spearmint. So that's nice. But yeah, guys, I missed you. I don't know if this is just gonna be like a Saturday vlog or a whole weekend thing. I don't plan on doing anything tomorrow, so it might just be Saturday. But yeah, bachata. Yeah, I'm about to be on our way out, and I will.
Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation.
That's what it is. I looked at the weather in Waldorf.
You look like you look happy.
Give me with a flick real quick.
Say hi.
With
the pony.
Look at my ear. It's not nice for me. Hey, I'm a little high maintenance. Period. Love it. We're eating here. This place is called Chilangos. You probably can't hear me. I don't know if you can hear me. But I want to take a picture. Love a good picture. Look at them. Like they're waiting for a cab. Hey. I mean, germs are twisty. Look at theirs, and then look at ours. But low key, let me talk to them. We just got ours, okay? But they're about to see who can.
J-ball from the 5.
They're gonna chug that.
From the 5.
You know what I'm saying? I got my money on my man Germ. You know what I'm saying? You know, representing for the guys. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, look, we already know it. I don't even got to do all that. I'm just drinking for real. She had us already taking shots.
Till I get drunk. I'm
The stomach warm.
You about to be go.
We still got a long way to go.
Look how much is left.
Ready? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, wait, you're drinking.
I'm not drinking now.
Here, somebody start. Alright.
What did we need the time?
5, 6.
What did we stopping at?
You're gonna see how long it takes you, right?
Let's go for 20 seconds.
Yeah, okay, 20 seconds.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. They're done. Okay, well, it took 8, 7 seconds. this is the way. If you ask him to take, ask him right there, right there, right there. He's taking food away.
We about to be him.
Yes, he does.
As a matter of fact, I can help you.
Put it in the purse.
They gave me motherfucking
Thank you.
hot bag, red beans, and rice.
Gracias.
They gave me hot bag, red beans, and rice.
So,
Hey, that's for it.
It's refried beans.
Okay, we're about to eat. We're about to eat.
oh no, you know I grabbed the phone before I did it. You know?
Guys, this is probably the most quickest vlog, okay? So, okay, so we got really twisty at that restaurant. I'm gonna just say I drove Quan's car back home. But he's good, right, boo? He's good, we're good. He's eating his wings. Asia and Germ are home, I think. Are they home? I'm sure they're home, yeah. But in the car, like when we left the restaurant, mind you, we were so loud. I'm pretty sure I put in Instagram clips, I don't know. But we were so loud when I watched back my Instagram story. But it is like 11:29, so let's say 11:30 at night. So not a long night, but Baltimore is like an hour away from where I am. But we were supposed to go to like another thing, but I'm gonna just say we're home and that's all that matters. And remember I was like, we have a secret appointment and went really, 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 really well. So grateful for that. Like, I can't wait to like share everything with you guys. Yeah. Boo, can you say hi?
Yep.
I'm so sleepy.
Cool, man.
And my little sugar poppin'. He's trying to burp. Thanks. But, ranch again? But, yeah. So, I'm home. I'm about to wash my face off. And I took a picture. I think I like it. I don't know. I don't care. But, yeah. Maybe gonna end the vlog here. Oh, my Lanta. I don't know. It's raining right now. Let me look at the weather. Because normally me and my mom walk like every other day. Aww. It's me and Quan's grandma. She my grandma too. Tomorrow is supposed to rain 100%, so me and my mom, right? Is that Sunday 100%? I don't know. It's raining right now though. But normally we walk every other day and tomorrow will be our day to walk. But I'm so sleepy. Woo! The restaurant we went to is called Chalango's. It was in Baltimore at the LAHVER. I still have leftovers. I low-key like wouldn't mind eating them right now. But I'll see. But I'm super sleepy. I'm about to go wash my face off. I have on this cute, like, I never even showed you guys my outfit, but everything's pretty much off now. I even like started already taking off my jewelry, so it don't even matter, honestly. But it's all good. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure this was a quick vlog, but I was just happy to say hi to you guys. And yeah. Oh, I think that's what I was telling you really quick. I was putting on lotion when we got back in the car because I had to use the bathroom. You know, like public soap always makes you like dry. So Germ had some Gold Bond lotion in his hands, in his car. And I used some and I took my rings off, but I left my rings in the car. But thank God he still has them. So I'll be getting those back. But my hands are soft. Well, now they're dried because I just washed them again. But my hands were so soft, and so now I want to get some Gold Bond lotion to keep in my purse because your girl's hands be getting dry, okay? But yeah, alrighty. And I have a new tripod, which I'm gonna link in the bio, and it'll be on my Amazon storefront. So I got the recommendation from Symphony Soto. So yeah, anywho, me and Simba say goodnight. I love you. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. It's so messy right there, but that's my little, can you tell which side of the bed I sleep on? Okay.